the transformation, and what I really discovered was that the goals that I was setting before this eruption experience were very human-like, versus the goals or ideas that I had after the eruption experience were much more in tune with nature.
で発見したことがですね、面白いことに、ゴールを設定していたんですけれども、この噴火を体験する前ですね、噴火と、フラワーエッセンスを作っていたんですけども、その体験の前はとても人間的なゴールを設定していました。でその噴火の後は、とてもね自然とつながったゴールになったなと思っています。
And so I feel much more happier about the new ideas because I always want to be connected to nature. I mean, that's who I am, right? So I feel like, wow, these goals are much more achievable. It's not as much pressure. So aligning with nature and then setting goals, I feel is a very good idea.